So this is some of the worst rust on the car, and as you can see, I'm going to use a patch panel here in this area. Don't really want to get involved in trying to wrap this around and fold it along this crease here in the body line of the fender. So what I'm going to do is just cut on the inside of this, just on the inside. Similarly relieve this here, so I don't need to get involved in folding this material around. And then I'm going to come across here because this area is of course bad and gone. Fender's already free from the car if I need to get it out. So I've just really set it back on here so that I can make sure that I get my alignment with the various body lines clean. So we're going to use an air grinder along here to start, and then trim this panel off and do some test fittings before we do the main cut across the top. Yet I went ahead with the saw here and trimmed off the panel completely, so now it lies flat, using the body holes here for the molding to line up, and also checking it with the little relief depressions here. I've clamped my panel on, and now I'm going to use the body saw to just do an overlapping cut through both pieces at the same time. That should give me the relief I need for a butt weld, and should give me a good pattern there. So we'll give it a shot. The metal saw across here, finished it up to the edge here, but where it overlaps in behind, I've got a couple of layers there, so I don't want to cut that with the saw. So I'm going to use the cutoff wheel on here, clean this up, and then test fit the panel. So I'm fairly happy with the fit here now, and so we're just going to tack weld it in place and call it a day. So I've pretty well finished the stitch welds all the way along, and now I'll grind that off, and any little remaining pinholes I'll fill in as well, but that's about it. It's pretty complete, and didn't overheat the panel, maybe the tiniest bit of movement there, but not much. And that's the completed product. Had to weld the odd little pinhole, but overall that's pretty good, fairly flat, and a little bit of metal finishing a little later, and for sure, and we're good to go.